Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make Greek lamb kofta kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, I'll be doing this recipe based on half a kilo of lamb mince. Now we're going to set this to the side. We're going to prepare all our ingredients in a separate bowl. So we'll start with one brown onion, slice through the middle, and all we want to do is finely dice this. So what we're going to do is add our onion straight into a bowl. I should also point out I'm just using a small onion. If you're using a big one, you can only use half. Next I'm going to bring across one handful of fresh parsley. And all we want to do is chop this up. And we'll just add this straight into our bowl as well. Now into the bowl we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry coriander, half a teaspoon of dry cumin, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, and about 3 crushed garlic cloves. So we're just going to give this a mix together. So we'll bring our lamb mince back and add this straight in. And all we want to do now is just mix it together thoroughly. Now you want to squeeze the meat hard to incorporate everything together. Alright, so that's come together nicely. So I'm just going to cover it up with some cling wrap. We're going to place this straight into the fridge for about 4 hours, preferably overnight for best results. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and skewer these. So first thing I've done is preheated a grill. I've got our meat here and just a bowl of some warm water here. Now with these I'm just going to skewer on my long thin metal skewers like so. You can put them on wide skewers too, you can even put them on bamboo skewers, but you'll have to soak them first so they don't burn. If you don't want to do any of these options, you can just make these into patties and put them in a frying pan or in the oven or whatever you like. So if you're following my method, just get your hand, place it in the water, and we just want to get about half a handful of our mixture, and just against the bowl shape it into a bowl, and then we're going to try and shape it into a cylinder shape, just like that. Now we'll get our skewer and we want to try and insert it right through the center so that it comes out of the center, just like that, and begin by pushing the meat all the way down. Now as you can see, I'm using my entire palm. You can just use your fingers to get that sort of Middle Eastern pattern like that. That's up to you. But I'm going to go for more of the round shape, just like that. So you just want to go over it a couple of times, making sure your hand is wet so it's not sticking. And we'll just take the excess off the ends. And there we go. That's one skewer done. So we just want to continue doing that with all our skewers. Alright, so we'll move on to our grill now. And we'll place our skewer straight on, just on a medium to high heat. After about 30 seconds, we'll just flip our skewers. What this will do is seal the meat onto the skewers, keeping all that flavour in, and lessening the chances of it actually falling off the skewer. After another 30 seconds, we'll flip our skewers again. And all we're going to do is flip them every 30 seconds until they're cooked all the way through. This should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, and it's time to serve. So we're going to get our skewers, push down from the top to release it. From the bottom, just push all the way off. Once again, push down from the top, and from the bottom, push all the way off. And we'll serve that up with some tzatziki. And that's all there is to it. That's how we make Greek lamb kofta kebabs. Now you can serve this on its own, you can put it into a wrap, make it like a souvlaki, with salad, with rice, any way you like it. I hope you liked that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.